Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. I bought it for about $11 from the Delhi Duty Free. The packaging is very basic. It's a plastic pastel pink cylindrical tube in a typical Maybelline mascara shape. I have it in the color black or noir. The wand has a flexible point just at the base of the brush, making it very bendy. Personally for me it's not that much of a thing because I feel I have lesser control over the wand, over the pressure I apply at the base of my lashes, trying to fan them out or curl them out. The brush on this thing is everything. I bought it just because of the brush. This is Maybelline's first patented fanning brush with 10 layers of bristles to reveal a full flourish of lashes. Basically, it has an inner curve that has smaller comb-like bristles that hold the product well, and an outer curve that has longer bristles to give that fanned out effect. I apply this mascara exactly as recommended. I start with coating the roots of my lashes with the product with the help of the tiny comb-like bristles, and then I twist up the wand to fan out my lashes with the help of the longer bristles. That really gives them a fuller look. This mascara does have a slight plasticky smell to it, but it doesn't bother me as I can't smell it once it's on my lashes. The brush really does its job. It coats the lashes well with the product. However, the formula is such that it is a little bit too thick for me. It causes the lashes to sort of clump together. Here you can see the difference between the two eyes, one with the product and one without the product. The lashes do appear fuller and thicker. However, they look fewer in number. Personally, I like my mascara to coat my lashes to make them look thicker, but I also want them to be separated to make them look more voluminous. This mascara gives the more Barbie-like lashes that are thicker but fewer in number. Here I am doing the other eye, which is a little bit more difficult for me. I almost poked my eye with the big brush. And the lower lashes are also a little bit more difficult to do with this thick fat brush. The longevity of this mascara is good. It lasts throughout the day without any flaking. It's supposed to be washable, but it does not come off just with water, although it is definitely water resistant and sweat proof, which is great in the summer and humid condition. To remove it completely, you have to use an oil-based remover. If you like the thick, dramatic eyelash look, then you're definitely going to love this, guys. Do give it a look. Thank you for watching and do subscribe if you like. Bye bye.